Double-click to open the glass optimization software. Enter the height of the glass original piece. Enter the width, material, thickness. Enter the desired finished size and quantity. Double-click on the width to display different regular shapes that can be selected. After finding the desired shape, modify the correct cutting dimensions. Click Start Optimization. If you are not satisfied with the optimized shape, you can reselect the size and optimize it again. After optimization is complete, click Device Driver. Click DXF to generate G-code. Open the glass cutting software. Click here to enter the automatic page. Click here to enter the G-code page. Find the optimized finished product information. Open the folder and select the cutting file to open. After opening, you can proceed with the cutting test.